guys, Captain Taylor here at saltyscales.com. So here we are, we just got to Lake Tarpon. I'm super stoked about fishing this lake. This is the first time I've been over here. It's an hour or so away from my house, and this is the John Chestnut Sr. Park boat ramp. It's a public boat ramp. There's only two that allow you access to the lake. The other one's Anderson Park at the north end of the lake. But anyhow, I was super stoked, like I said, to get out on this lake, give it a try. I've read a little bit about it. I know that, in the winter time, they say that you fish the southern part of the lake, and the summertime seems to be more productive around the warmer months, summer and spring. But, I wanted to pick you guys' brain because I did notice, my first observation was the amazing vegetation that's growing up all around the lake. Like some of the healthiest grass I've ever seen in a lake. And, it made it, obviously it's a good thing, but it could be difficult to fish, especially if you don't know the lake and you're just going out there on a spur of the moment type of trip. But what we seemed to do, or what we did best with, was fishing structure around the docks and the edges of the grass, and that seemed to be most productive. Spinner bait, slow rolled spinner baits, sinkhole worms. Crankbait was difficult to fish, but those are the things that produced the most on this particular trip. And you'll see that, little glimpses of me throwing different things, pitching different things. This is a short video. I just wanted to pretty much share ideas and see any of you guys Lake Tarpon pros are out there care to give some suggestions. I'm not looking for any secrets or anything.
Oh, baby,